Hey guys, hope you all are well and hope you enjoyed your weekend. I'm Apurva and I'll show you how to use 3ds Max, how to use basics of 3ds Max so that you guys can create your future project using this software. So if you have used some other softwares as well, so 3ds Max is somewhat similar to other softwares such as Rhino, AutoCAD, and etc. etc. So it has all the similar functions that you find in other softwares such as file to save your project, import and import, edit to edit your objects that you're placing in, tools to you can use different kinds of tools here which are very um, uh, useful when you are making your projects here in 3ds Max. You can group ungroup it, then you have views, create different views for your project. These two, I recommend you guys use it on this right hand side here. It's very handy. And some other menu that you will be using once you learn how to use the basics of 3ds Max. So for now, I'll start with the menu here, the toolbar here. So you have different options in this toolbar, and and you have different options here as well. So if you click to this circle, then it will bring you to this object type. And if you click here, then you have these different kinds of lists that you can use to uh, create different stuff. So for now, I'll go to standard primitives, and it's showing how different uh, objects here that you can use. So for now, we'll start with the box. So in 3ds Max, you click at that box and you click somewhere around here. And when you click it, so you click and drag your box, and then you can just drag up and down for the height. So I'll just zoom out, and that's how you have it, and you can change the color as well. Um, you can do many more. There are so many kinds of uh, objects here that you can use. It's a phone. You can drag your server around and see how it's gonna change. Then you have sphere, cylinder, tube, and then you have the teapot. So as you can see, when I'm clicking and dragging my object here, so you can see if I'm going up, then the object is becoming bigger, and then when you move the cursor down, it becomes small. So that's because you are changing the scale of the object that you are placing in. So it's very handy. You are finalizing what scale do you want your object to be, how big it should be, and then I'm okay with this one. So I'll just click it, and that's how it's gonna be. And then you can make and uh, you can just press for the text box here, and place escape. If you want to delete something, you can just click and press delete. And if I click on my box here, and if I go to this one here, that shows box, and from here you can it will open up this perimeters box here with which you can actually change the length of your box. So I'll just make it big, maximize viewport, and then you can change the length of your box like that, and then you can change the height of it as well. If I go to the box again, so you can see it's showing box and it has some other this other option of cube. So when you press cube, so it will just create exact measurements of cube. It creates the exact cube with all measurements same. But if you change any of the length width, so it will become a box. So you can make it a box. You can change it according to your convenience. Um, if I click on some other stuff, then it will bring here. So you can create this torus uh, thing, torus node, and then click, and then you can create this C-section exit, prism, and window, and then you have ring wave, and you have capsule here. So 3ds Max has this different kind of tools which are very I'm enjoying using it actually. It's very good to explore and it's very interesting so you don't get bored by exploring it. Um and that makes different kinds of, so you can see while I'm dragging my cursor how it's actually changing. So it's up to you how you're gonna make it. And that's how you make different stuff in it. So these are different commands that you actually use on your object here. So you have to select one of the object and then you can use all those commands here. And so basically from these two you actually create these different shape objects. For, and these are very handy once you know how to use it. You can use them to create very nice objects. You can create a table, chair, tower, anything that. And yeah, that's how you use um, standard parameters and extended parameters for your 3ds Max. And you have different objects here that you can use, and it's very handy and it's very playful. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned how to use basic objects in 3ds Max. We'll see you guys again. Take care. See ya. Thank you.